Okay, chain rule. Sorry about there's already lines and circles and stuff. I had to redo this recording, but don't worry about it. So the chain rule, this is it right here. So derivative of y with respect to x is equal to the derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. So that sounds and looks a little bit complicated, but it's actually very simple, very straightforward. So let's say you have this function right here, y is equal to f of x squared plus 8x plus 3 cubed. And you want to find y prime. You want to find the derivative of this with respect to x. You want to find that. So what do? Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we are going to take everything here that's in the brackets, and we're just going to say that's equal to u. It doesn't have to be u, it can be whatever you want, but u is like, the general, it's what everyone uses, basically. That's like the general notation. So we're going to say this is equal to u. So now we have u is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. And then we're also going to find u prime. U prime, we're going to find the derivative of this. That's very simple, just the power rule, 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. Derivative is 8x plus 8. You should hopefully know how to do that, because again, it's just a simple power rule. So that's what we have here. So how do we find the derivative of y, the original equation? Well, if we look at the chain rule, what is the derivative of y with respect to u? Well, we found u, right? We decided what u is. So if we want to find the derivative of y with respect to u, well, we just need to find what y is equal to if we substitute u in. So I didn't write it down here. I'm going to write it right here. Y is equal to u cubed, right? Because this right here, 4x squared plus 8x plus 3, is u, and that's cubed. So y is just equal to u cubed. Straightforward. And so now we want to find the derivative of y with respect to u. So if this is y is equal to u cubed, then y prime here, or the derivative of y, will just be 3u squared, right? Power rule. Simple, straightforward. So that's part one of the chain rule. Part two is we have du over dx. We want to multiply that by dy over du. So I found dy over du, 3 times u squared. And so we want to find the derivative of u or u prime, whatever you want to call it. And well, we found it right here. So we take that and we multiply it by this. And so we have 3 times u squared times the derivative of u. We have u prime, we substitute them in, and now we have this. And there you go, that's it. Using the chain rule, you found the derivative of this equation right here. It's this. You could expand it. Of course, you probably should expand it actually if you're doing this on a test. Expand and simplify. I didn't do it because it takes a while. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully that was straightforward.